Wir brauchen mehr Beweise. Scheinbar haben wir noch irgendwas übersehen. Können wir den Splitter unter dem Mikroskop anschauen? Können wir. Aber das bringt uns nichts. Das heißt, wir brauchen noch irgendwas. Aufzeichnung vom Sicherheitssystem. Das können wir, glaube ich. Da einer dort, so Dokument.
Okay, so this pretty much backs up what Jane Barrett told us. She was home in Los Angeles last night. Pretty solid alibi. You may have something there. Jane comes to visit every Sunday, and every Sunday Mary's morphine usage becomes erratic. The records from Jane's security system indicate there was one Sunday when she stayed home. Now, don't you think it's odd she didn't happen to mention that one Sunday to us? It's also not reflected in Mary's pattern of morphine usage. It doesn't contradict Jane's alibi, but it's definitely worth keeping in mind.
Achso, haben wir das jetzt schon gemacht? Mit dem Ding da können wir irgendwelche geheimen Schriften entlarven, aber eigentlich steht schon sie da. Und wir haben auch schon den grünen Haken gekriegt. Wie schaut es denn mit einem Gerichtsbeschluss aus für Schwester Liu?
Based on what evidence?
Wegen des Fingernagels.
What if we do this? I'll talk to the nurse. See if she might be willing to come down here voluntarily to answer some questions. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Okay.
Nurse Lou, we appreciate you coming down here voluntarily to answer some questions.
You're welcome. I don't think there's any more I can tell you, but I'd like to help you if I can.
Und rote Fingernägel hat's, hat man gerade gesehen. Da werden wir es jetzt gleich mal drauf ansprechen.
These? Yes, they are.
So, einen Beweis haben wir.
That's odd. Oh, but you know I did get a nail tip put on my index finger when the real one broke last week. It's been on my hand all week, so I guess I kind of forgot about it. But you can see it's not chipped or anything. I don't know for sure. I do know there's an area down by Lake Merritt where the family keeps their boat. And Mr. Barrett, he likes to go down there when he wants to be by himself. Given what's happened, I wouldn't be surprised if he's there now. Mr. Barrett would tell Mary about the boat in the lake and how it was the only real place in the world he could find any peace. He and Mary spent a lot of time together. He would sit there beside her and carry on a conversation as if she were talking right back to him. I wasn't eavesdropping, I just couldn't help but overhear their talks. Or his talking, that is. Mr. Barrett is my employer. He pays me to provide home care for his sister. Honestly, I can't say I really know Miss Barrett. When she came to visit, she would seem uncomfortable. But seeing someone you love in the condition Miss Marks was in, well, it's very, very difficult. So I tried not to take anything personally.
Thank you, nurse. We may call you in if more questions come up.
I understand.
Gut, jetzt haben wir einen neuen Schauplatz. Und zwar die Anlegestelle. Und da werden wir jetzt auch hinschauen.
That must be our man. Right where Mary's nurse said he'd be.
Aha, was haben wir denn da für Abdrücke? Das dürfte der Herr John sein. Und da machen wir uns gleich mal.
Nothing to collect here.
Das glaube ich auch, dass es verkehrt ist. Wie wär's denn mit abdrücken?
Good idea. We can use the microscope to compare the mold against any prints we find.
Okay, dann da ich sagen, reden wir mal mit dem Typen.
John Barrett, we're with the Las Vegas Crime Lab.
Okay. Do you think I'm gonna need my lawyer?
We're looking into the death of Mary Marst, and we'd like to ask you some questions.
I didn't do it. What else do you need to know? Sister. Mary was my sister. Even though our mothers were different, that didn't matter. And Mary was the only real member of my family I had left. Now she's gone. What the hell are you trying to insinuate? Mary was a fighter. Most people just lose their will to live. Not Mary. She was an inspiration.
So, wo war denn gestern Abend?
You know what? That's really none of your business. My opinion? I think you're wasting your time. And mine. My sister's gone, and your investigation isn't gonna change that. I'm gonna let you in on a little family secret. We have a real problem with authority, unless we're invested in it. So any more questions you have, save them for each one of my lawyers. Yeah, give me a call. We'll grab a drink or something.
Ja, er ist irgendwie leicht gereizt daher. Da haben wir wahrscheinlich nichts. Wahrscheinlich immer noch da oben. Da haben wir Jetskis.
Yeah, that's a nice boat, but it's not why we're here. Let's stay focused.
Gibt's auf dem Boot irgendwas? Vielleicht Fingerabdrücke vom John? Scheinbar nicht. Okay, wir werden jetzt mal ins Labor schauen. Wegen dem Abdruck. Und dann wird es bestimmt einen Gerichtsbeschluss geben. Und dann werden wir uns schon mal verhören. So, ein Abgleich. Und zwar mit den Fußspuren vom Uferschlamm. Und die von dem Krankenzimmer.
The size and the tread patterns match. Our suspect was wearing these shoes. We need to talk to Brass.
Die passen. Und wie schaut's mit denen bei
The
der
size and the tread patterns match. Our suspect was wearing these shoes. We need to talk to Brass.
die bei der Bronzebüste stimmen auch überein. Genau, wie erwähnt, gibt es jetzt einen Gerichtsbeschluss. Dafür müssen wir wieder zum Boss.
What have you got in the way of evidence?
Ja, Beweise haben wir.
This is good. We can get a warrant to search the kid's room with this. Problem we have now is it's Sunday, which means the judge is indisposed on one of several possible golf courses. I'll have to chase him down to get the warrant to search John Barrett's room. Why don't you head back to the lab? I'll call you when I have it.
Was zurück zum Labor? Was möchte denn da?
You recognize him? This is a statue of St. Ambrose, patron saint of beekeepers. The statue belongs to Beatrice Salazar. At least it belonged to her back in 1982. That dried blood there belonged to her husband, Miami drug lord Humberto Salazar. The theory goes Humberto Salazar fell in love with a beautiful teenage prostitute he plucked off the streets of Mexico City. She got the house, the car, and the drug empire. He got St. Ambrose to the head. At the time, nobody could find any physical evidence to tie Salazar to her husband's murder, but obviously, we've come a long way since 1982. And that's where you guys come in. Salazar's grandstanding when she showed up the other day was just for show. Her DNA has been on file for a while.
What are these white, pasty flecks?
Adhesive from an evidence locker sticker. I just need you guys to pull her DNA off this statue, and if you can, that's the ball game. We've got her for murder.
Was, er möchte DNA? Aber wir sind doch mit einem anderen Fall beschäftigt. Okay. Haben wir jetzt da die Statue und wir haben DNA drin von Beatrice Salazar. Okay, dann werden wir jetzt einfach mal die DNA analysieren. Wenn er heute meint. So. Und zwar darin, wie immer. Oder heute müssen wir vielleicht... Müssen wir da irgendwas untersuchen? Ja.
Nothing to collect here.
Was hier ist, nichts. Vielleicht Fingerabdrücke?
No fingerprints here.
Keine Fingerabdrücke. Vielleicht Flüssigkeiten? Mhm.
Nice job. Now let's run the sample.
Gut. Und somit haben wir jetzt eine Probe. Und die können wir jetzt vergleichen. Okay, wie gewohnt das bekannte Spielchen. Und dann wir das vielleicht... Ist da hier? Na, stimmt das? Das da hier? Ja, stimmt überein.
Wait, what's going on?
I'm not sure. Somehow, proteins got denatured. Cooked.
They're useless. Son of a bitch. What the hell happened?
It doesn't make any sense. The concentration of sodium lauryl sulfate is way too high. But I was standing right there beside you. I saw you prepare the sample correctly.
Damn it, I can't believe this. I'm taking this statue back into my custody, and I'm going to make a formal request to the deputy director and to your sheriff that an investigation be immediately conducted into this CSI's possible malfeasance. Mr. Stokes, I would suggest you take this matter into your own hands before it brings down this entire lab. Tell me something. Are you just incompetent, or did you just deliberately destroy potential evidence?
I know this sounds crazy, but I think Agent Huntby set us up. I think he deliberately set us up so that we would consume that potential DNA sample in analysis. And he wanted us to take the fall for it. Catherine, we gotta get our hands back on that statue. We need to analyze whatever trace is on it, and we have to figure out what the hell's going on with Huntby.
Huntby just left the building, and he took the statue with him. I'll notify the FBI field office. See if they can help us. I think Nick is right. And I'll do everything in my power to get that statue back here and have you retested. But until we can get this thing totally resolved, I think it's best for the credibility of the lab if I keep you off any cases pertaining to Beatrice Salazar. I understand you have another case you're handling right now. I recommend the two of you keep working on it. So, walk me through this again.
Okay. We used a moderate concentration of sodium lauryl sulfate to lyse the cell walls.
Okay. Cell walls open up, allowing us to extract the genetic material inside and prepare it for DNA analysis.
Exactly. Except this time, for some reason, there was a much higher concentration of SLS than we normally use. So when the sample was hydrated in preparation for our DNA analysis, the water and the high concentration of SLS produced a chemical reaction that gave off enough heat to raise the temperature of the water way above 80 degrees Celsius.
Which would have denatured the protein and destroyed the viability of the sample. Agent Huntby is claiming you incorrectly prepared the lysine solution by adding too much SLS.
Catherine, with all due respect to Agent Huntby, I was standing right there when it all went down. The solution was prepared correctly. Now, as we were swabbing the sample, I did notice a trace amount of some sort of pasty substance on the back of the statue. So I asked Agent Huntby about it, and he said it was just some glue residue from an identification tag.
You know, you can create a paste with sodium lauryl sulfate, concentrated enough to have that reaction when hydrated.
It's Brass. I finally tracked down the judge and got him to review and sign our search warrant for John Barrett's bedroom. It's a go.
Okay, wir können jetzt ins Schlafzimmer von John Barrett.